Hello there, welcome to science class. In today's class, we shall be discussing highest common factor. Highest common factor, HCF. Yes. In the last class, we discussed about LCM of numbers, which is lowest common multiple. But in today's class, we shall be discussing highest common factor. Bear it in mind that lowest common factor, the answer is usually bigger, but highest common factor, the answers is usually smaller. So highest has smaller number while lowest has bigger number. Then we also discuss what multiples and factors are. Multiple are numbers that are equal to a particular number or greater than that number. For example, multiple of 3 are 3, which is equal to 3, that number, or 6, which is greater than that number. So that multiple in LCM makes answers in LCM greater than answers in highest common factor. Factors are smaller, multiple are bigger. Highest common factors are actually smaller. So let's go to the first example for today. Number, we have 2, 4, 12, and 16. Second example, 6, 9, 12. Third one, 4, 14, 21. The fourth one, 12, 15, and 18. So let's go to the solution to this example now. The first number or digit in this example is 2. 2 here. So this 2, this is the 2. Using the first prime factor, 2. So this 2 divided by this 2 gives us 1. Then this 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. The next number is 4. 4 here. 4. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. This 2 divided by the next another prime factor, 2, gives us 1. Then 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. We are done with that. The next number now is 12. This 12 here, 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. This 3 divided by 3, because 3 is the next prime number. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Then we are done with that. Now, the next example is 16. The next number is 16. 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. Now, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Alright? So, let's see where we broke them down into their factors. 2 is actually equals to 1 times 2. 4 is 1 times 2 times 2. 12 is 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. 16 is 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, if you notice, you have only 1, 2 here. That is superscript 1. Then there's another one here, superscript 1. There's another one here, superscript 1. There's another one here, superscript 1. I mean superscript, but you see 1 on top. So, that means 2 is part of the factor. 2 is part of the factor. But after that 2, there is no any other one that has another 2. Because this one has only 1, 2. So since this one has only 1, 2, that will be the end of it. This one has only 1, 2. This one does not have this one does not have 3. This one has 3. This one has 4 2s. So but since this guy has only 1, 2, that will be the highest common factor. That is the highest factor that is common to all of them. It's just 1 times 2. The highest common factor that is common to all of them is just 1 times 2. So HCF of 2 12, 2, 4, 12, and 16 is 2. Let's go to the next example. Yeah, so in this next example, we have 6, 9, and 12. 6, 9, and 12. So this 6 now, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Then 6, 3 cannot divide 2. We move to the next prime number, which is 3. And 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. Then the next number is 9. This is 9. 2 divided by 9 is not going. It's not going to give us a whole number. So go to the next prime number, which is 3. Then make it a factor. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Now, we are done with that. We move to the next number, which is 12. 12 divided by 2 is possible. It gives us 6. Then 2 can also go in 6. So 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Then 2 can no longer go. We move to the next prime factor, which is 3. Then this 3 divided by this 3 gives us 1. Then 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. So splitting out the factors now, we have 6 is equals to 1 times 2 times 3. 9 is equals to 1 times 3 times 3. 12 is equals to 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, if you notice here, realize that 2 is here, but 2 is not here. So 2 is out of it. 2 is actually here, but since 2 is not here, it's out of it. We have 3 here. The first 3 here with superscript 1. The first 3 here with superscript 1. The first 3 here with superscript 1, and here too with superscript 1. So that means 3, 3, 3 is common to all of them here. Now, so that's the 3 here. You have only one 3 here. So since you have only one 3 here, you can't add any other 3. And that will be all. There is no other number. You have only one 2, you have only one 3. So that is the highest common factor. So the highest common factor here is 1 times 3. 1 times 3, which gives us 3. The highest common factor is 1 times 3, which gives us 3. So let's go to the next example. The next example is 4, 14, and 21. 4, 14, and 21. So here, this is 4 here. Using the first prime number, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Then 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Then 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. We are done with that. Then the next number is 14. 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. We'll go to the next prime number, which is 3. 7 cannot divide 3. Go to the next prime number, which is 5. 5 cannot divide 7. So go to the next prime number, which is 7. 7 can divide 7. So we say 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. Then last one here is 21. 2 cannot go in 21, so we go to the next prime number. Next prime number is 7. It's 3 rather. 3. 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. Next prime number is 5. 5 cannot go in 7, so we move to 7. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. So 4 is equals to 1 times 2 times 2. 14 is equals to 1 times 2 times 7. 21 equals to 1 times 3 times 7. So from here now, we can see that there is no number that is common to all of them. No number is common to all of them except 1. Because here you have 2, here you have 2, here you don't have 2. Here you have 7, here you don't have 7. Here you have 3, you don't have 3 in other ones. So HCF of this number is simply 1. HCF is equals to 1. That's the only number that is common to all of them. 1. Yes. So let's go to the next example. Our last example for today is highest common factor of 12, 15, and 18. So 12 is here. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. The next number is 15. 15 divided by 3, because 2 cannot go in 15, of course. So go to the next prime number, which is 3. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. 3 can no longer go, so go to the next prime number. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Then 18. 2 divided by 18 gives us 9. 2 cannot go in 9 any longer, so we go to the next prime number, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. If you don't understand prime numbers, then you need to go and watch my video on the type of numbers that we have in mathematics. If prime numbers or prime factors are strange to you. So the factors of 12 are 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. 15 are 1 times 3 times 5. 18, 1 times 2 times 3 times 3. That's 18. So here now, you can see that 1 is common to all of them, of course. Then there is 2 here. There is no 2 here. So 2 is out of it. There is 3 here. There is 3 here. And there is 3 here. So 3 is part of it. Now we notice that we have only 1 3 here and 1 3 here. So we cannot use more than 1 3 since we have only 1 3 that is here. If we had a situation where we had another 3 here and another 3 here, then we can now have 3. We can now have 3 times 1, 1 times 3 times 3. But since we only have one of the numbers having only a single 3 as the factor, prime factor, we stop at that. Here we have 5, but we don't have 5 in the other 2 numbers. So that makes the HCF to be 1 times 3, which is 3. Thank you for watching this class. I hope you enjoyed this class. I hope you are beginning to see the fundamentals, how the fundamentals come to play when solving mathematical problems. If you are yet to subscribe to the science class, please do well and just hit the subscribe button right away and turn on your notification button so that you can see my videos when I post new videos. Thank you for watching today and have a nice time. Bye.